हे गाइस व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक। अभी हम लोग सीखेंगे एक नया प्रोग्राम लिखना जिसमें a program to basically read a number, find the sum of the digits of that number and reverse the number and check for palindrome। palindrome मतलब कि ऐसे 111 का palindrome 111 ही होगा, जैसे 256 का palindrome 256 नहीं होगा, जैसे 656 का palindrome 656 ही होगा। मतलब पैलिंड्रोम है कि नहीं, मतलब कि अगर रिवर्स कर दोगे उसको तो सेम नंबर वापस मिलता है कि नहीं, वो चेक करेंगे। सो एक और बात, लाइक दिस थिंग इन सी इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड and as well as very cool to do, but in JavaScript it was very easy, bro. You can straight away convert a number into individual, convert a number into a string and then convert into an array, and for that individual array elements you can use dot reverse method on it and it will just reverse it and just later on compare it whether the reversed and the original one was same or not, and just console out that it was same or not. But in this, painful. So let's go. Bye bye. So first of all, write the program name. Program to read a number is a program to read a number. Find the sum of the number, comma, sum of the number of the number name, and the sum of the digits, and reverse the digits and check for palindrome. That's all for the program. So we can't see it. It's like, let's write this kind of shit. Okay, anyways, let's write the comment like this now. Can we? Yes, we can. To 10. Yeah, looks cool. So we'll start with header files. कहाँ गया hash? stdio h and pony.h. Void main as always. And here program declaration and क्या क्या वेरिएबल्स यूज होगा इसमें, देखो सम के लिए लेट्स मेक सम इक्वल्स टू 0, रिवर्स के लिए rev इक्वल्स टू 0, नम भी चाहिए एंड एक्स भी चाहिए और डी भी चाहिए। और बेसिकली एक्स लिए हम लोग क्योंकि हम लोग जो नम का जो एंटर्ड वैल्यू, नम के साथ बहुत खेल करने वाले हैं, नम बहुत ज़्यादा मैनिपुलेट होने वाला है ग्रेजुअली, बट एक्स हम लोग चाहते हैं कि वो उसका जो इनिशियल वैल्यू ऑफ नम है जो यूज़र ने इनपुट किया था वो कहीं जाके सेव हो जाए। और डी इज़ फॉर the unit place of that. I'll explain how. I mean, sum and reverse को zero रखा गया है, same like whenever in JavaScript or the language you declare a variable which later on is going to go through some changes, we just declare it when we don't set it as undefined, we set it some value. That's right. We'll try without setting it some value and we'll, ये क्या हो गया, shift से ऊपर चला था, अच्छा। Anyways, so now we'll printf enter number. So scan f, oh, now percentage d for integer input, comma, and percent no. Okay, did you put it in? Yeah, you did. So cool. Now since num has been entered, so we'll set x equal to num to use on later on use. Saving what num used to look initially, like that. Okay, to saving num. Okay, basically. So now, so before that, I'd like to explain, like in a while loop, uh, if you put 1 here, it's a truthy value, so this will always execute, you know that. But if you put 0, it will never execute. For example, you set num, like just let me just comment it. For example, you set num is equals to 100 and you set num here, so the contents of while will always execute. But for some reason, gradually num became 0 and you set num here. So since num is a falsy value, awe, since num is a since num is a falsy value, so it will never execute in its life. So the loop will stop. So the code is written in such a beautiful way that it gradually sets num to 0. What do I mean by that is, and the reason for taking int is also very good. So anyways, हाँ भाई, तेरे लिए थैंक यू भाई, इतना थोड़ा सा क्यों लाया? थोड़ा सा क्यों दिया बे? हम लोग उधर कितना जाता देता है बे हम लोग को? अबे यार चल कोई नहीं. uh, Last digit is equals to num percentage d, num percentage 100 or 10. So हम लोग का this will basically give us last digit. For example, अगर 55 था तो 55 modulus, अरे कहाँ है लवड़े, modulus 10 will result into 5, or let's say 75. 75 तो 5 रहेगा. अगर यहाँ पे 5 भी हुआ ना तो उसका भी रिजल्ट 5. दिस इज द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग अबाउट मॉड्यूलस. एनीवेज लेट्स रन 5. The reason. So we gave the reason as well. So we'll move down and we'll set num now. We'll set num as num by 10. So what it will do, so if it is actually not 75, if it is actually 5, num is 5. In this case, when you divide num by 10, it will give 0.5, right? So 0.5 is not an integer value, so it will just automatically coerce the value to 0. So in that case, and you can clearly see, since it is 5, we don't need to actually reverse or do anything in this case. This will actually stop the loop from again executing. So that's why. Reduce the value of num, tend it or make it, or tend it लिखा था मुझे, or tend it more towards 0. So num हो गया. अब सम करेंगे. सम का केस क्या है? सम प्लस डी. ये क्यों है ऐसा मैं बताता हूँ. Since sum is equal to 0, in this case sum will return, in the first loop it will return simply, if it is 55 it will just return 5. In next case, it will return 5 plus the last digit, that is, अगर 55 होता तो 5, that will be 10. The sum would become 10 here. You understand what I'm saying? Hopefully you don't, because I'm intelligent, you don't. Okay. So reverse. Rev is equals to rev times 10. You have done these kind of maths in elementary classes like 8, 9 or something. And will प्लस डी होता है, आई गेस. हाँ प्लस डी होना चाहिए. लास्ट डिजिट बिल्कुल नम सम 4 आ गया हो गया. So these are the things. Now it is gonna work, but we need some printf statement. So printf sum of the खा लेना तू digits is percentage d comma num माता चोद sum होना चाहिए. Sorry guys. Scare printf to print reverse of the digits percentage d comma ref. उसके बाद if ref is equal to x, which was initial number. Since num is no more num has become 0. Why did we do this? Because num has become 0 now. So what do you want to do in this case? Print f palindrome. नीचे होगा palindrome. मैं धो दूं? मैं धो नहीं सकता भाई आज. अब तो धोने बोलेगा, मैं धो नहीं पाऊंगा. else if धो ले भाई आज प्लीज. लौड़े तू खाया नहीं. ते मेरा नहीं था भाई वो. printf. So we'll print not palindrome. And we'll close it. 2 errors. बोलता है undefined symbol sun. तो लौड़े sum लिख, sun मत लिख. So guys, I'm done. printf का स्पेलिंग गलत है. printf. Okay. So I guess there is some mistake here. We need to use conio.h. Oh, clear screen use करना भूल गए हम लोग. CLR SCR. Good. Let's go down and we'll add a get ch statement here. अबे ये क्या कर दिया मैंने? Let's save it shortly right now. Not palindrome and get ch. Oh, let's enter a number. For example, 10. Sum of the digits is 1 and reverse of the digit is 1. Wow, not a palindrome. And in all of this, we should have used a new line. We can add a new line here. printf new line. हाँ, रात तक चलूंगा मैं. 24 hours challenge. नहीं, 12 hours. 12 hours live challenge. Yes. नहीं भाई, तब तक एक वीडियो बनने जाता है. तब तक एक वीडियो इसको अभी अपलोड कर दूंगा फिर. Okay, so will you type your number 10 फिर से. सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स देख कितना मस्त प्रोग्राम लिख दिया मैंने। जैसे कोई भी नंबर बोल। जीरो। नहीं, बकवास नंबर है तो। अच्छा नंबर बोल कुछ। हाँ। ओ भाई, ये क्या कर दिया मैंने। हाँ। हाँ। कोई नंबर फोर नहीं, दो नंबर बोल, दो डिजिट। हाँ। 44। देख, सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स 8 है, 4 + 4, रिवर्स ऑफ द डिजिट 44, पैलिंड्रोम है। मतलब यस। हाँ, जावास्क्रिप्ट में हो रहा है, सब में होता है। ये नहीं, सच में जानता होगा भाई, मेरे को तो खुद नॉलेज नहीं है उसका ज़्यादा।